Welcome back to next session of LaTeX. In the previous class, we have studied the basic programming in LaTeX by using article class. In this class, let us see what more we can do with this article class. There are so many document classes, out of which one is the article class. And the next may be the report, and next may be the letter, and so many other classes are also there. Maybe we can also build our own classes. So let us see the basic article class here. We have already studied the basic programming in article class. Let us go ahead with that only. So let us see what we are going to learn in the today's class. So these are the basic contents. So we can use article class as we have already used it in the previous class for the basic program. And here we are using geometry package. So how the geometry package will go ahead and how it can be used and how we can get this geometry package, everything will be discussed in this video. Create sections and subsections. So how the sections and subsections will be created and how the sections and subsections will be numbered, all these things will be discussed here. Create the table of contents. So how these table of contents will be created automatically. Create the title page. So how can we create the title page? How can we write the title and how can we write the author and all these things? So we will discuss these things in the today's class. Let us go back to the program, and I want to maintain one program only, and I want to maintain same program with so many added advantages or added things to the program. Okay, let's go back to our old program, yesterday's program only. Yeah, this is program 1.tech. Yes, this is the program. So if you run this, of course it has already come. So this is the outcome of it. So yesterday we have learned this part: document class, article. So begin document, end document. So whatever we have writing in between begin document and end document, we'll get the same thing printed in the PDF like this. Now I want to change the font of this name. I mean font of this sentence. So how can I do that? So let me do this with the optional part of the document class. That means the syntax, the here the document class within curly braces article is the compulsory, so mandatory syntax, and now I am using the optional syntax with these braces, and now I need to make it with 12 pt 12 points. So this is the font I am using for my thing. Yeah, this is the 12 pt. So it has appeared here. You just see here, this is the 12 pt or 12 pt, and we can see some more things. That means we can see the optional paper size. That means it may be A4 size or A5 size, like that. Let me make it A4 size paper. Yeah, it has the proper settings now. This is set to A4 size paper, and these are the optional things in document class. So we can make it as optional. That means we can give it or we no need to give it. Now let me use a package called geometry so that I can align them in a proper manner. So let me use this package. Use package. As you know, geometry is compulsory and I want to use it for optional thing. So let me take the optional. This is horizontal margin. Let me make it as 4.5 centimeter, comma, vertical margin is equal to, maybe let me have it 3.5 centimeter. Let me run it. Yeah, this is the thing. So here, from here to here it is 4.5 centimeter, and from here to here it is 3.5 centimeter. So this is horizontal margin and this is vertical margin. So in this way we can use this geometry package. Now let me go ahead with, let us just see the PPT. So what are the other things we need to discuss? The other things are creation of section and subsection. Okay, let's go ahead with section. So how to create sections? So section is the part of the document, so I need to do the same thing in between begin and end of this document. So let me open a section. Let the name of the section is basic program. Let me see this whether it has come or not. Yeah, in this way it will come. So day 1 class basic program. So this is the section. So the section name has been appeared here as 1. So let me have one more section. Section day 2 class. Section day 2 class, and today's class is based on article class. So the different things in this class are, let me have subsection. Yeah, in this subsection I like to create sections and subsections. And the second one is table of contents. Let me write the same thing here also, just for time being. Yes. So now I have 2 sections, out of which section 2 has 2 subsections. Okay, let me run this. Yeah, in this way it has come. Just see. Okay, in this way it has come. So if you like, I can make some more subsections in section 1 also. Subsection install Mixtex. Is one subsection, and subsection basic program is one more subsection. Let me have the same thing. Yes, let me have the same thing as the name, and let me remove this part. Namaste, welcome to LaTeX playlist for time being. Yeah, this is how we need to create sections and subsections. Yeah, it's very easy. So creation of sections and subsections. Yes. Now the next part is, let me see the PPT once again. So what is the next part? The next part is create table of contents. So how to create the table of contents? So table of contents should be at the start of the program. That means I need to make just below the begin document table of contents, and I will run it. Simple. It's very simple. See, this is the table of contents. Very simple. This is table of contents. And if you, wherever you are writing the table of content, that's very important. Let me cut here and let me write somewhere, maybe after, so before, in between section 1 and section 2. Obviously table of content is in between section 1 and section 2, so please be careful and please write properly. So it should be just below begin document. That's all. Now up to now we have studied the geometry package and sections and subsections and table of contents. Let us see what more we need to study in this part. Create title page. Okay, here we need to create the title page. Title page should be created before the program, so I need to create the same before the program. First we need to write as title. The LaTeX article class is my title, and I can write name of the author also. And we can also write the time, the date, like this. So now we can run this. Yeah, nothing has come here, so we need to do something more. Actually the program will be executed from begin document to end document, so whatever we are writing outside this part, that never come into our program. So what we need to do, we need to do each and every part, that means title, author and date. So all these things has to be incorporated in the document. So how to incorporate the same? By using make title command. By using make title command, so all these things will come into picture. So let us run it. So date, actually we can write today's date as \today and we can run it. Yeah, this has come. The LaTeX article class Dr. Kishore Kumar Pedapinki and author's name and also date. So everything has come. So this is the today's class. It's very simple and easy to write this type of article. So what we have learned today. Today's class is very simple class. In the previous class, that means yesterday's class, we have studied how to start document class and how to begin document and how to end document, how to print anything in between these two. Simple. And in today's class we have first we have used the use package, this part geometry. We have used the geometry package and to make it set according to our wish, and we have studied how to write the title and how to make author's name and how to put the date, and we have studied how to put sections and subsections and how to make table of contents. So these are the things we have learned today in article class, and same things can be done with report class also. So if you have any doubts, so please comment me in the comment box so that I can respond to you. It's very easy. This is article class, and so many other things are also there. So you can change the fonts, you can change the styles, even this font, and you can change the styles also. So these things can be practiced by using internet, so please do so. And this is the basic idea of doing things. So thank you so much. If you like this video, please like it. If you want to share this video, please share with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed, and please press the bell button so that whenever I upload any video you will get the notification. Thank you so much.